Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox and review the CONBOLA Portable Fan. A rechargeable 20,400 mAh, cordless, battery-powered fan, complete with an integrated LED lantern. We'll pull it out of the box so you can see what is included. In addition to being nice for use around the house, being battery operated makes this fan perfect for travel or camping. This is the black version, but it also comes in other colors, including army green, gray, and orange. Taking the fan out of the protective plastic bag, we have the fan itself and the product sheet. The product sheet gives you quick information on the major parts of the fan, a description of the fan and its features, brief instructions, product specifications, and troubleshooting information. Moving on to the fan itself, it is a nice size, measuring about 8.5 inches wide, 10.25 inches tall, and about 3.5 inches thick. Let's quickly turn it on. The left button turns on the light, the right button, the fan. The fan has 4 speeds, and the lantern has 3 brightness levels. You merely click the appropriate button to go through each level, and then after the highest level, click the button again to turn it off. While it is lightweight, only about 1 pound and 10 ounces, it is quite sturdy. On the bottom of the fan, you will find a hook so you can hang the fan. This is great for tents or travel, where you can hang it from above, and not only have the fan, but also overhead lighting. It also works great to hang from an umbrella at the beach. The final item in the box was a USB charging cable. It is a standard USBA to USB-C cable, so you can use any charger that ends with a USB-C male connector to charge the fan. We plugged the USB-A end into a power source, and then plugged the USB-C end into the port on the back of the fan. That started charging the fan. Once charging, the LED lights on the front will start blinking, showing you roughly how much the battery is charged. Once the charging is complete, all 4 LED indicator lights will be illuminated and no longer blinking. One thing to also note is the fan can be operating while plugged in, simultaneously charging it while in use. The fan head also rotates. It does take quite a bit of effort to rotate the fan, and it clicks loudly as you move it from one angle to the next. We initially were worried we might break it, but it held up nicely, and was very secure in whatever angle it was rotated to. It rotates a full 270 degrees, allowing you to direct light and airflow in any direction desired. With the fan in operation, you can hear that it can generate a nice breeze, while still staying quite quiet. We also ran the fan and light at the highest setting to see how long it would last, and it ran for about 5 hours on a single charge. There is no timer to automatically shut it off. We did not test it, but the product specification said it could run the fan on the low speed for 36 hours. We'll show you the fan rotation again from the side, so you can get an idea of the maximum angles. Finally, the last feature of the fan is it has a USB-A port on the back, which you can use to charge other devices, like your phone. Merely plug in any USB-A charging cord and plug in your device. We hope you found this video informative.